The AirPods 4 are unsurprisingly the fourth generation of Apple's original true wireless earbuds that feature an open design, which means they don't have silicone ear tips like the AirPods Pro 2. A lot of people still don't like having ear tips jammed in their ears and find open earbuds more comfortable, and the AirPods 4 are made for those folks. Not only do they feature a slightly smaller design and better sound than their predecessor, but they're equipped with Apple's H2 chip that improves overall performance and powers new features. In a first for Apple, the AirPods 4 comes in two versions, a $129 entry-level model and a $179 step-up model with active noise cancelling. ANC is a rare feature for open earbuds because it typically doesn't work with an open design, at least not with a few noise-canceling open earbuds I've tried, including Samsung's new Galaxy Buds 3. The AirPods 4 replaced both the AirPods 2 and 3 in the lineup. That also includes the AirPods Pro 2 and the updated AirPods Max with USB-C. And in terms of their design, the AirPods 4 are sort of a cross between the AirPods 2 and 3. They're slightly smaller than the AirPods 3, but also slightly larger than the AirPods 2. That being said, at 4.3 grams per bud, they weigh the same as the AirPods 3. Apple's hoping the new design is a better fit for a wider range of ears. They did fit my ears slightly better than the AirPods 3, although I sometimes had to adjust the angle of the earbuds to get a really secure fit. Like a lot of people, one of my ears is slightly different than the other, and I got a marginally better fit with my right ear than my left. I never got a great fit from the AirPods 2 or 3. I had trouble keeping them in my ears when I ran with them, but these do fit my ears with the best of the three, and I did find them very comfortable to wear. However, I get a slightly more secure fit from the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Everybody's ears are different, of course, so I asked some of my colleagues, including some who had small ears, how they felt about the new design compared to the AirPods 3 design. They all preferred the design of the AirPods 4, and most of them got a secure fit. Basically, the design does seem to be an improvement, but like with any earbuds, I can't guarantee they'll quite fit everybody's ears equally well. To be clear, both new AirPods 4 have the same design, same sound quality, and same voice calling performance, and they both have Apple's H2 chip with Bluetooth 5.3. That's the same chip found in the AirPods Pro 2. Apple has upgraded both buds with a new acoustic architecture and amp. Also, it slightly changed the angle of how the drivers are pointed into your ears, which is supposed to improve sound quality. The combo of the new drivers and the upgraded H2 chip's processing power for Apple's adaptive EQ, a feature that optimizes audio quality on the fly as the position of the buds changes ever so slightly in your ears, gives the AirPods 4 better sound than the AirPods 3. And needless to say, because these are open earbuds, the sound does have an open quality to it. Overall, the sound is a little cleaner, improved treble, and you get a bit more bass, so there's a touch more depth and fullness to whatever you're listening to. There's still a notch below the AirPods Pro 2s, but they're close, and these are easily among the best sounding open earbuds out there. You're still not going to get as much bass as you do with the AirPods Pro 2, but the gap has narrowed. I didn't feel as if I was making much of a sound quality sacrifice compared with the AirPods Pro 2, at least when I was listening in a quiet room. Like the AirPods Pro 2, both AirPods 4 models are equipped with 5 GHz radios as opposed to 2.4 GHz. That not only helps improve the Bluetooth connection reliability with Apple devices, but allows for lossless audio with Apple's Vision Pro headset, as well as low-latency gaming audio with recent iPhones, iPads, and Macs running the latest versions of their respective operating systems. Wireless streaming of lossless audio over Bluetooth is available only for the Vision Pro because the buds have to be right next to your audio source device for a glitch-free listening experience. Of course, if you're in a noisy environment, these buds do still let sound into your ears, which impacts sound quality, but things get interesting with the addition of noise cancelling. So let's get into that key difference between the two models and what you get with entry-level AirPods 4 versus the AirPods 4 ANC. The ANC version of the AirPods 4 is $50 more than the regular model, but you also get more than just noise cancelling for the money. For instance, while the charging cases are the same size and look nearly identical, the step-up ANC's model is equipped with Bluetooth low energy chip and has a speaker integrated into it like the case for the AirPods Pro 2. The entry-level model's case has neither of these features. The entry-level AirPods 4 use a less sophisticated version of Find My that can track the buds, but not the case, and play a sound through the buds. That speaker emits a sonar-like noise when you use the Find My feature with proximity finding, making it easier to locate the case if it gets hidden behind something or stuck in your couch cushions. Also, the entry-level model's case doesn't have wireless charging, while the ANSY's model case does. Note that neither model has the more advanced precision finding of the AirPods Pro 2, which has a U1 chip in their case. The AirPods 4 charging case is a little bit smaller than the AirPods 3 charging case, but there's one other difference. There's no longer a physical button on the AirPods 4's charging case for activating Bluetooth and pairing it with non-Apple devices. Instead, you now double tap on the front of the case near the LED to initiate pairing and double tap 3 times to initiate a reset. Both the buds themselves and the case have an IP54 rating, which means they're splash proof and dust and sweat resistant. I was pretty impressed with the noise cancelling. The reality is that it's not that great compared with what you get with the AirPods Pro 2 and top noise cancelling earbuds like the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra earbuds or the Sony WF-1000 XM5. But that it works at all and is reasonably effective is kind of wild because, as I said, noise cancelling and open earbuds usually aren't a good mix. For instance, Samsung says its Galaxy Buds 3 have noise cancelling, but I couldn't really hear a difference when I turned the noise cancelling on. But with the new AirPods, you really hear the difference. You feel it kick on and muffle the ambient sound around to a certain degree, enough to enable you to hear your music better in noisy environments. The AirPod 4's noise cancelling is more adept at tamping down low frequencies and was able to cut down the engine noise level by about 40% when I wore them on a plane. And they were also somewhat effective when I wore them on the streets of New York and on the subway. I'd say the noise cancelling is a little less than half as good as what you get with the AirPods Pro, which also provides some passive noise isolation with their ear tips. But again, that the noise cancelling worked as well as it did seems like a major technological feat, not even Bose